Do you ever pull out your S Pen, write something, and your phone shows the wrong word instead of what you meant? This problem usually happens because of how the keyboard is set up. By default, your phone uses recognition candidate, which tries to match exactly what you wrote. Sometimes that means it gives you strange suggestion. To fix it, open your keyboard setting. You can do so by opening an app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap handwriting. And then tap candidate type. Here you will see two options. Recognition candidate. It's best if you want exact recognition of your handwriting. And prediction candidate. This uses context to predict what you probably meant, even if your handwriting is a little messy. Let's switch to prediction candidate. Go back to your note and try writing again with your S Pen. You will notice the suggestions are a lot smarter, especially when you are writing longer words or sentences. So if your Galaxy S25 Ultra handwriting mode keeps showing the wrong word, just change the candidate type. Use prediction candidate for smarter cases, or stick with recognition if you prefer exact matches. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.